things you're doing. Don't you know that it'll affect the environment? Not only that, there's corporate distributions of oil waste. This gap is filling. Time for Did you ever see that people are dumping their own waste into the drain without knowing that it's been blocked? Not to mention that also because pots must be recycled for water moving. That's true. Exactly what I mean. Right, it's all over the news nowadays. Do you know people who use their own waste for cooking? You really? Is that even healthy? Actually, no, it isn't. It might even cause some health issues. Oh my, that's really serious. I wonder how they do it knowingly. Are there any ways to stop them from acting like that? Actually, there is. We can turn the cooking oil into biodiesel through a process of transesterification, which involves the reacting of the oil with an alcohol like methanol and a catalyst like sodium or potassium hydroxide. That sounds really interesting. Can we try making one? Duh, come on!
The problem statement of this project is the dumping of abundant oil waste into the drain. Next, repeated use of cooking oil may cause health issues such as diseases related to cardiovascular. Other than that, limited amount of fossil fuels are a problem as it takes millions of years to form, which make it higher in cost. Besides that, the smoke released from the burning of fossil fuels are dangerous to human health and environment.
Our strategy to overcome these problems are by recycling used oil into biodiesel to reduce the amount of oil dumping into the drain that can cause water pollution. Next, it can also reduce people from reusing the same oil if there is another better purpose for it. Not to mention, it is time and cost effective.
In addition to that, biodiesel also releases less carbon footprint than fossil fuels, so that it aligns with SDG 13 climate action.
The thing that makes us different from other biodiesel projects is that we add lemons into the solution to remove the pungent smell of used oil so that it can be used as candles or essential oils that can calm down your nerves, which normal biodiesel solution can't do.